بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين نبينا مصطفى محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه الطاهرين الظاهرين وبعد. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I welcome you back to our series The Golden Keys. Every episode inshallah we give you one key to unlock a door to Tajweed. Our golden key for today inshallah is المفتاح الثامن عشر الإخفاء الشفوي. الإخفاء الشفوي. Remember we have covered الإخفاء الحقيقي regarding the noon sakin and its 15 letters. Now we focus on الإخفاء الشفوي. الشفوي tells the story, meaning the إخفاء originating from the lips, from the shafatain, from the lips. Dr. Muhammad says, فإذا وقعت الباء بعد الميم الساكنة. If we find the letter ba after a mim ساكنة, a mim holding sukun, ولا يكون ذلك إلا في كلمتين. And this should only occur if it is found in two separate words. Then we have to read al-ikhfa of the mim sakina with taking care of Ghunnah for the duration as well as two vowel counts. This particular topic has brought about different ways of reading. However, the method that we have learned and that I will teach you today inshallah is that it is just to touch the lips, a light meeting of the lips. The letter mim originates from the lips. It is said by the closing of the lips, mim, am. Remember, in order to find a makhraj of a letter, you place a fatha in front of it and make the letter sakin. Place a sukun on it. Am, as well as ab. The ba also originates from the lips. So we focus on our first examples. Will be ترميهم بحجارة. ترميهم بحجارة. So we read this without overexerting. ترميهم. This is incorrect. And certainly read it with a wide gap. This is also not the correct manner. ترميهم. Just the lips will just meet without any pressure. ترميهم بحجارة. ترميهم بحجارة. إن ربهم بهم ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى. ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى. If you look closely, you'll see that the lips just basically met without any pressure. لست عليهم بمسيطر. We do not say لست عليهم. This is without any concealment. لست عليهم بمسيطر. فبشرهم بعذاب أليم. We now focus on Surah Al Fatiha and then try and find where we find this ruling inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل. وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. We have found this ruling in ترميهم بحجارة. So we will read by meeting of the lips with Ghunnah, with concealment. So we will not place too much pressure on the lips when articulating al-Ikhfaa al-Shafawi, or the concealment from the lips. Remember, it is stated that if the mim sakin is followed by a ba in two separate words, you will read Al-Ikhfaa al-Shafawi. I trust that this lesson has been beneficial. Until we meet again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.